Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick explanation on adding team members to your Wise business account. This is useful if multiple employees or partners need access for managing payments. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to wise.com/business, and once you're here, what you will have to do is click login, and then of course you will just have to fill in your email address, your password, so that you will be able to log in successfully. So once you log in, you will go to your Wise Business dashboard, and then basically you will just have to access team settings by clicking your settings. It really depends on the layout of your screen, so it should be somewhere right here. So just go ahead and explore that until you find your settings. And once you've clicked settings, you will just have to look for team management and then click add member. And then you will enter your member details such as their email, their role, with whether admin or user, and then permissions. And then after that, you will just have to send invitation by clicking invite, and then the member will receive email notification to accept. And then of course, you have to manage the members by adjusting their roles, permissions, or remove members anytime in the team management. And yeah, that's how you can add your team members to Wise Business, and this will ensure a smooth collaboration and payment management. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.